Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Just a couple quick tool deals that I wanted to make you guys aware of that were sent to me by some subscribers. The first one was Goat Roper. He said that all the Klein Modbox pouches were on sale half off at Lowe's. So again, if you go into the Lowe's app, select Klein Modbox Pouches, you're going to see all these say view price in cart. As I go down through there, you have to go to add them to your cart to see the prices. I've already added them all there. So you can see here again, they're all called the same thing. So I don't know what the names are, but you got some with big pouches, some that would hold screwdrivers and pliers. I think there's even a drill holster down here a little bit farther down. And again, I think these all have clips kind of like the Tough Built type system, but you can see there like that one's normal price is $25, on sale for $12.48. That one's normal price is $40, on sale for $19.98. So they're all half off. I'm going to actually see if I can see these in the store tomorrow. I don't think that I would probably wear them as a pouch because I like my Vito MP pouches. But I think this price, if you're looking for a pouch, you might want to try it out. But I think also if you are in the Klein Mod Box, like the rolling carts and all those kinds of things, you can clip these onto the side of those. Give yourself a place just to put hand tools, whether you wear them on your person or not. You could at least put them on your, box or anything like that. And I'll put all these things into the shop button if you want to look there and check that out. The other person was Elliot Parrish, and he actually sent these to me in an email. And there is a Gorilla ladder. It's a 4x12x20 work platform. They're on sale for $40. They're almost half off basically. You can buy one of them for $40, or if you want to get that 2-pack over there on the right for $138, feel free to do that. I think I'd buy 2 single ones, but I don't have those. I don't know if they're any good, but a 300-pound capacity, 4 foot, I feel like that's a pretty good deal on those. I've got a lot of the Werner ones, and those kind of things come in handy doing drywall work, painting, all that kind of stuff. So you might want to check that out. The other deal that he mentioned was that the Fluke 302 was back in stock, which I made a post about that. So you guys already know about that. But again, just a couple tool deals that were brought to my attention that I thought were pretty good that I thought I'd share with you guys. Hope it's helpful. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.